what? Alright, it's my first time going in the house. Check it out. Yeah! Here we go! The wind is crazy. Alright, so this is the office. Right there. Living room. With the two windows. I didn't realize how big the windows are. Dako man di ay?
Yeah, it's
no?
the same as one. Ganit lang tayo.
Dragonfly, good luck. Where's my dragonfly? Saan ang dragonfly? Right there. Dragonfly for good luck.
Trapped.
And then kitchen, or no, that's not the kitchen. Si tawag ani? Yeah, pot lights.
Why are they close to each other? There's a light there and there's a light here.
Pot light na nako tita. Yeah.
Okay.
Tesa ha. Yeah, ako nang gipakuanan gipadugang. Si tawag ani. Dining room with a window. And then good. Kani siya railing. Open concept. This is the kitchen. Pantry. Sink there. And then there should be an island here in this area somewhere. That window is high. Taas man di ay, no?
No, it's enough.
Igo ra di ay.
Enough. Okay, so
Backyard, that's where the garage is gonna be.
You can put your plants.
I know.
And this is facing to the back.
Yeah.
Oh, there is the street, the boulevard.
Oh, pero close na unya tita. Stairs going to the basement. The bathroom. Or the powder room. With a little closet here in this area. Kind of show that's a closet in this area. Ooh. Oh yeah, kanisha. This is gonna be a little closet, and then I have a little nook here. This is gonna be an open area, which is great. And then the door. Closet na. No, closet na tita. Kuan na siya standard. Kuan, umurag open area ra. Kanin diri. Open area ra. Kaya na may vent tita.
Okay.
Yeah. So diri ang closet, coat closet diri. Then diri murag open, so mabutangan pa na nako mga I don't know.
What is this here?
Sure, kuan murag dili utilities, murag extra closet. Yeah, I know. And then pantry diri, so I have extra butanganan. So murag di ako mga toiletries, mga surplus. Yeah, tatas at tatas room. Na.
Ang kuan, dapat minus na unta kay no walls.
Kuan man. Tawag ani. Basta. So going upstairs, second floor. This is the one of the 3 bedrooms. This is the smallest one. Open pang bintana. This is the small room, smallest room.
One bedroom, one single bed.
Yeah, one single bed. And then this one's a closet here, murakuan. A towel closet. What do you call that one?
Linen closet.
Linen closet. And then this is Kian's room.
Bigger.
The second bedroom.
Bigger.
Yeah, bigger. It has that extra foot in there. Sa closet. Yeah. So it's the same size as the other one, pero naara siya extra 1 foot pasulod, yeah. And then another nice size window looking outside.
Look at this one thing. You can go that way. Because it's garage. side.
Oh, pwede ko musulod sa pikas ug kuan. And this is the banyo. Nice small size, standard size. With your standard tub. Sink's gonna be in this area here.
Murag gamay ko siya.
Murag gamay, no?
Yeah, it looks like
Murag baby size.
standing naman siya.
Yeah. This one is the laundry.
Oh,
So,
that's
my laundry has a
why.
window.
I know now.
Yeah.
So, because of your laundry.
I have a nice window sa laundry.
Bigger than your bathroom.
Yeah.
Dalawa.
Diri ang kuan, ang washer dryer, and then I have a rough in for my sink na wala po'y sink para manglaba ko. Hand washing. Hand wash niya, rails ning diri to go downstairs. Master's bedroom. Going in. 2 nice size windows.
Wow.
Dako bitaw. Dako man yun. Pwede ni siya king size bed, pero unya door going outside sa porch which we won't go out kay mahulog ta. Overlooking, I don't know, is that kuan? Looking south ba na tita? Or no, that's not south, kuan. East. Southeast area. And then kani siya going into the bathroom. Standing shower with a glass door. Unya, ano na siya, glass door. And then the tub with this one right here. I'm excited for that. And then here it's gonna be the sink.
Where?
Dire. Sink in this area here. And then toilet's gonna be there. Walk-in closet.
Oh, this is better.
It's just next to it.
Oh, where is your...
Nice size.
Where's your...
My toilet's right there.
Oh, at least it's not facing.
Yeah.
Yeah, facing.
And then closet. That's it. Simple. Spacious. Yeah.
So, ang nice ani is...
So I'm excited. Yay!
Ang nice ani